Story reader Goat is ready to read Disney Mickey and Friends, Mickey's Hiccups. Mickey has tried everything, but he just can't get rid of his hiccups. I'll never stop hiccuping, he sighs, and hiccups. He tries one last trick, standing upside down. Help Mickey get back up by pressing the arrow twice. Minnie knows how to cure the hiccups. Take a sip of water, she tells Mickey. Then count to 4 and take another sip. Let's count with Mickey. Press the starburst 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job. Thanks, Minnie, says Mickey as the doorbell rings. Oh, hiya, Daisy. Hiccups, Daisy asks. I know just the cure. You need to spin. Help Mickey spin by pressing the spiral 3 times. Thanks for helping. I'm getting dizzy, says Mickey. Me too, giggles Daisy. Let's see if Donald knows a cure. Donald takes hiccups very seriously. He has a special bag just for this type of emergency. Carefully, Donald balances 3 blocks on his bill and puts 2 hoops on his arms. Now Mickey, Donald instructs, listen carefully. But Mickey can't stop laughing. What's so funny, asks Donald. This is serious. You're funny, Donald, says Mickey between giggles. Say, I didn't hiccup. I guess laughter is the best medicine for hiccups. To make sure Mickey is really cured, play a silly song. Press the music note.